Assemblies in Zenventory are designed for a build-to-stock workflow where you prepare the new finished product in advance of any orders for it. Kits and bundles, which are built to order, are assembled during the fulfillment process rather than in advance and use the kit feature instead. Work orders allow for a two-step assembly process where one user initiates the assembly by choosing the product and the quantity, then leaves the work order in the system for the assembler to complete it. Let's get started. From the Inventory section, select Assemble Item in the submenu. Search for the specific item you would like to build by typing a SKU or description in the Items to Assemble field. Choose a quantity of the assembly to build. If you are looking for a simpler one-step assembly process, use Assemble Now. To continue with a two-step assembly process, click Create Work Order. A work order will print the list of components needed along with their location. The assembly is not yet complete. That will be done in a second step when the work order is claimed and completed. To complete the assembly work order from the Assemble Items screen, click on the icon next to the order you are completing. Select Assemble. Click Claim to finish the process. All components will then be deducted from inventory and the new finished products will be added to inventory automatically. Next, you will assign a location for the new finished item by clicking in the New Location field and choosing a location from the pop-up menu. If you need to make any changes to the quantities at the location you pulled the components from, click Change Allocation and alter the quantities appropriately. Click Assemble to finish the process. All components will then be deducted from inventory and the new finished product will be added to inventory automatically.